Hi, welcome to MainBotpy. Are you looking for a powerful Instagram scraper? Let me show you my new advanced and most powerful Instagram scraper. I have already uploaded a video about the version 1 of this bot. This version 2 bot is even more advanced and powerful. Using this scraper, you can scrape millions of username and user ID. You can scrape followers of any influencer or popular ID. You can also scrape users from any post, video or reel. Let me show you the data. It stores all data in an easy to access and easy to find way. It scrapes both username and user ID. You can even scrape users depending on geolocations. If you want this bot, contact in my WhatsApp or Telegram. MainBotpy. This bot will cost you only $50. Thanks for watching till the end.